Stop recording.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody's doing well on this beautiful, sunny Friday morning. So, I got an interesting question last night from one of my friends. And her and I were talking about leaf blowers. And and she asked me a very interesting question, and I thought I thought I'd do a video about this. So she asked me what maybe a lot of people might be wondering, and maybe not, but maybe so. She asked me, can a leaf blower run on straight gas? Now, for those of you who know nothing about leaf blowers, a leaf blower is a two-cycle engine, which means it requires a gas and oil mixture. So technically, a leaf blower cannot run on straight gas. You have a high risk. You can try this, but it's certainly not recommended. You have a high risk of completely destroying your small engine if you are actually stupid enough to put straight gas in it. You're just hastening death for your small engine. Technically, yes. Technically, a leaf blower can run on straight gas, technically, but it's really a big no-no. Any mechanic, small engine mechanic, will tell you, absolutely do not put straight gas in your leaf blower. But technically, you can, and it will run, but you still have that high risk of, of it overheating, of the engine overheating, because here's what happens. When you run your blower on straight gas, what happens is the piston is not being lubricated by the oil, right? This is how I think I'm getting this right. I think this is correct information. How I understand it is with the gas and oil mix, I think what happens is the oil lubricates the piston. Now, when you have straight gas, there's no oil lubricating the piston. Therefore, the engine overheats, and you have a very high risk of it seizing, or of the machine completely just going kaput. Now, if you're in a pinch and you don't have a gas and oil mix and you're desperate, I still wouldn't recommend putting straight gas in your small engine. Now, if you do this, you're doing this at your own risk, okay? Remember that. You are doing this at your own risk. Okay, remember those words. You're doing it at your own risk. All right? Do not, under any circumstances, put straight gas in your leaf blower. You'll wreck it. Now, if you want to try an experiment, that's stupid, in my opinion. I don't recommend it. Okay? It can end in catastrophic. It can end in catastrophic results. You can wreck your engine. Now, if your engine seizes, there is a possibility you can save it. You know, you have to take it apart, and not the engine. You have to take the you have to. I forget how to do it, but well, not how to do it, but I forget how you do it. But I know for a fact that a seized engine can be saved. Now, if your piston is scored, that cannot be saved. Your engine cannot be saved. So remember these two things. This is important, folks. Remember, if your engine on your leaf blower should, God forbid, seize, it can be possibly saved. There is a possibility of it being saved. It's possible. But again, and this is what happened to my old Echo Weed Whacker. The piston got scored. The engine cannot be saved. It just can't. It's just sorry. You have to throw it away. So, but getting back to the whole straight gas thing. So my friend asked me, "Can you put?" Because like I said, we got talking about leaf blowers last night, and she said, "Can you put straight gas in a leaf blower?" And I said, "No," because I mean, technically, again, not to repeat myself, but technically, you can, and you can run it on straight gas. Some leaf blowers will run actually on straight gas, and nothing will happen. But if you do this, it's really a stupid idea. You know, even if you have no gas and oil mix on hand, go to the freaking gas station and get your ass that gas and oil mix. Don't do it the easy way. You know, don't think, all right, well, I don't have a gas and oil mix, so I'm going to just put straight gas in my leaf blower and I will use it. Well, you can try, but you're very likely to wreck your engine on your leaf blower. So, don't do things the lazy way and the easy way. You know, just go to the gas station and get 2.5 gallons of a gas and oil mix with your gas. Put it in the gas can, obviously. Don't do things the easy way. Doing things the easy way sometimes can really end up in terrible. It can end up terribly for you. So really the answer is yes. A leaf blower can technically run on straight gas. Yes, it can. But you are really risking the span of your leaf blower's life. So this is certainly not recommended.
Camera chooser.
I wanted to do this video because, you know, I mean, there might be someone out there who, I don't know, maybe just is learning how to use a leaf blower, and maybe you don't know anything about, maybe you didn't know that a leaf blower can't run on straight gas. I mean, with anything I do or talk about on my channel, I like to be as informative with everyone as I can be. So, you know, I hope that, you know, maybe this video will help somebody or a lot of people. You know, maybe there's someone watching this video right now who knows nothing about leaf blowers and who doesn't know that a leaf blower can't run on straight gas. And maybe there's someone watching this video right now who doesn't know that you should not run your a leaf blower on straight gas. Maybe you are just learning how to, you know, maybe there's someone out there, maybe there's someone watching this video right now who is just learning how to use a leaf blower and who doesn't know that you cannot run a leaf blower on straight gas. Listen, I'm going to say this again because this bears repeating. Don't take, you know, and maybe you're one of those people who knows that a leaf blower can't run on straight gas. Listen, You know, don't take the easy way out. Don't think, oh, well, and again, this really, this bears repeating. You know, don't think, oh, well, I got this. Wee. Don't think, oh, I got this full can of straight gas here. I don't have any gas and oil mix. I don't have any money right now to get the gas and oil mix, so I'll just put straight gas in my leaf blower and it'll run fine. Well, maybe it will, but maybe it won't. I would much rather go to the gas station and get the gas and oil mix for my leaf blower. Don't do it. Do not be smart about it. And do not put straight gas in your leaf blower. Do not. Okay, it's stupid. It's stupid to do just because maybe you don't have the money. I understand that. But if you do have the money and you're just lazy and you don't want to go down to the gas station with your gas can and get the gas and oil mix, then that's just laziness. And that's up to you. But if you got an empty gas can and you got a full gas can of straight gas and you decide to take things the easy way and say, oh, I got the straight gas here, I'll put it in the blower, everything will be fine. Well, if you're one of those people who truly doesn't care what happens to your, if you're one of those, if you're someone who doesn't care about what happens to your leaf blower, and if you don't care about your leaf blower, well, yeah, all right, go ahead, put straight gas in it, but you might just end up wrecking it. So the moral of the story here is, do not put straight gas in your leaf blower. It could end in a very bad way for you. So, y'all take care.